kadon kajing pensutu bakla bat penyalam bakla ya kipat nong song snong jong kejela ba nagaliang kajongi ngikwa ban petni bun teli kikis ki balong positif namar kat bang ngidang yo bun kikis kamot ngidang yo pisasi bun kamdan kum kata kadai tangka khana thok ke khana ka syukuri upat ba ke khana ka tangban penbut nam ya ke sarkar bat kum kita ki kamdan bat nga ong hinangan naladi nanga bakanu ko positif case ke bang iyo mendai mengiyo pisa ngiru ngidon gajing sngau nyetrishtam bangin laban kontini kani lada ni penio positif case ban iyo pisa kata kamut ngi la baklan kaliang kajongi ndrei mentangan ong syai ba mdon kum kata ba kimi ki case ki ba thmai kamut ngidang yo pisa mangi sibun kamdon kum kata sakawai kadon ka allegation ru kadon kajing harap ba ki doktor ki jongi ki frontline workers jongi ki yo kenja busket lene ki yo kata ki insentif ba kadang yo positive case kidang yo pisah sibun kata ro golong ka bakla ka bayilam bakla bat ka bomdei ka dik khana thok khana syukur ba ka dik tang khana surok sudah bat ki bal anang ki bal astat ban subha ba haba fito hapo ki kot kuwor fareng ru finang ba ke english ngitip ba finang ba ke english tang ba sotu bangi ru nginang ban keren english nginang ru ban tho english te haba fikwa ban tho ban keren ni kita keren marhamat ban ni ngi ru ngin sajuba ni kata tang ba sobha wat ong ba dangbun positive case ngidang yo pisah sibun dangbun positive case ngidang respa ngi kamdai kum kata kadai tang khana kamkai sudah bat mentang ong ba kini gidi khana kamkai ba ba ki jongi sobha wanum nget kum gini gi jaj breu lara ki kwa kilawan wani kendo ingi ngin sepen phai kelas ki and we have taken this allegation very seriously because it points out that we and the health department in the government as a whole we are getting so many positive cases because maybe we are getting more money, so that is why I have given it has come out in one of the dailies. I will not mention the daily, but from now on we will react to all these allegations. The statement now, any allegation which comes after this, then the Epidemic Act will follow.